Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you have been trying to upload a file to ChatGPT and it's not working, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through what might be the cause and issue of it and how to fix it. So let's get right into it. So basically, let's talk about why ChatGPT might be unable to upload the files. There are a few reasons this could happen, but it's not always a problem on your end. So it could be server issues, basically experiencing temporary downtime. It could be your file size or format. Your file might be too large or an unsupported format. It could be due to your internet unstable, which might lead to the file to be not uploaded properly. So let us start checking your file size and format. Ensure your file isn't too large. Check the format of your file. It should be your text, PDF or JPG. Now for checking your internet connection, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try running a quick speed test or reconnecting your Wi-Fi. Slow or unstable connections can result in a failed file uploads. If possible, switch to a more stable network or reset your router. So sometimes a simple refresh can do the trick. Here's how to fix that. Close and reopen your ChatGPT. Clear your browser cache to fix any temporary data issues. So if you're facing the mobile app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Now, if nothing works, the issue might be with ChatGPT servers. You can check if there is any ongoing maintenance or server outage on their official website or social media. If this is the case, all you can do is wait until the issue is fixed. So, if ChatGPT is unable to upload your file, try checking the size of your file, format of your file, ensuring you have an internet that is stable, and refreshing the app or browser. And finally, at the end, you can also wait for the server issues to clear up so you can finally upload your file. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.